Hello guys, Houston here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And let's jump into the charts. Uh, yeah, it looks like funny, but it's not funny at all. So let me explain why I'm going to use this approach today. Because in the past, we already tried to educate people about this using straight numbers, exchange fundamentals, market fundamentals, and nothing changed. They keep saying the same nonsense talk about, for example, X asset can't reach X price because the market cap has to be at trillions of dollars. And we are in 2020, and people keep saying the same nonsense stuff non-stop day and night. So perhaps this time is the best opportunity for a more easier approach. Perhaps this way people can realize this is a huge mistake and a hoax. So let's start with, sorry, here we have Happy Joe on the left. In the real world, he have a store where he sell computers. And in the right side, we have Hackett Billy, yes, with 3 L's. And he lives in the opium land. And he lives on his sad tent. And Happy Joe is a guy who understands how the market works, how the supply chain works, how price works, and etc. And Billy, what he believes, what he does, he's looking for a job, no problem on that. But he believes, he say, PRX will never reach $300 because the market cap must be at 10 trillion. But he doesn't have any technical evidence for such. The only thing that he had, is the coin market cap, where he goes, coin market cap, and then he can see the stuff there. That's the only thing. I will go to this point in a few seconds. He followed Tony Weiss, which and they both believe Bitcoin will destroy the banks. And we know yesterday we had the news about the banks holding cryptocurrencies. So it looks like their vision or their plan just is gone. So it's wild stuff. And they also believe PRX is a security, even when we have proof, technical evidence that it is not by the US government, the FinCEN, sorry. We have the docs, we have everything that say that is not a security. But yeah, they keep saying it is a security. Just like they keep saying about the thing about the market cap. They don't have knowledge in economics. They buy high and sell low. They are TA experts. And they are both Twitter experts. One have 400,000 followers and Billy have 15,000 followers. So he's a significant guy. So now let's jump into the numbers. Let's start here with Joe. So Joe was talking with Billy about this, about the market cap, the price can't go up, and etc., etc. And he was trying to explain Billy, trying to educate Billy about this. So for example, in Joe's store, he can store 10 computers at a time. Okay, so right now he have 10 computers, a C model, and the market price for each computer is $10. So the total market cap for Joe Star Computers, his book, etc., is $100. Okay. Now we are going to look at two different scenarios: one for growth, another for contraction. Okay. So talking about growth, let's say we just had we got released a B model, right? So the B model is on the market, and the thing is, this computer doesn't have the DVD drive anymore. It's all about USB ports. It's a new stuff. People are excited. They are looking for this model to buy. And then the B model arrive with a price of $20. And so now the market cap of Joe went from $100 to $200. And the thing here is, nobody bought a single computer, and Joe total market cap just went up by 100%. Okay? Because he's selling or not will make no difference, because the price of the good or the goods or a service went up, so he's going to price it up as well. So for example, now let's say for a straight year Joe keeps selling his computers B model for a straight year, and he's making like for example $5 profits on each computer, and it is a great time, he's making a lot of money, and yes, fantastic, and etc. But then let's say Joe moved to a bigger store, okay, and now he can store 20 computers. So his total market cap just went up to $400 again without selling a single computer. Okay, so not a big deal here. And then another year goes on, and he keeps selling his computers, a happy guy, no problem, making a lot of profits. But then, from a sudden, we had a problem with logistics, logistic issues in the supply chain. And then the price of the fuel went up. And then we have less trucks. This is just for the sake of this example, okay, folks? And then we have less trucks, which means the computers will take more time to arrive at the stores, right? So what the stores are going to do, if they sell all their B computer models in a single day, they will have like 25 days without anything to sell. So they will have to close their store, right? So what they do, and this is nothing new when we talk about markets, price, etc., situations offside the chain, etc., etc. So what he and the others are going to do, because it's the market that is driving the price, right? Because we have a problem. So the price will rise to $40. Just for the sake of this example, could be 30, 35, 25, doesn't matter. So right now, the total market cap for Joe, let's take a look here. For 40 plus 20. So right now, the total market cap just went up by another $400. In total, $800. And this, folks, doesn't matter if people are buying Joe's computer, if people are buying other stores, doesn't matter, because in this event, the price was driven by external forces. For example, there is a war happening and the price of oil just soared, and then everything is going to be related to this is going to be more expensive. So the price will be passed to Joe, and Joe will have to repass the rising price for his customers. So there is a change in the chain that is going to affect everything in the chain. So it's not like for Joe, it's for the whole market. Okay, and now let's go back to the previous example. For easy numbers, so everybody can follow. Just a second. I'm actually use XTZ chart. Hold on. Let's go back to the first one. Yes. So let's go for the C model as well. Yeah. So on this example, Let's say Joe just arrived in town. Okay, he has no clients. He's just opened his shop, and now he's ready to sell computers, right? But went 1 week, 2 weeks, and 2 weeks without a single client. Okay, no problem. But then people start to happy customers start to buy on Joe's store. Oh, just a second. Yeah, so a lot of people start to buy on Joe's store, and they keep buying at what price? $10 for computer C model, right? And this, and remember, the capacity for his shop is 10 computers. So once he sells his 10 computers, he's going to buy another 10. So his market cap is not going to change, right? 10 computers, 10 for each computer, 100 in total. And then we go to 0, he buy again another 10, his total market cap is still at 100. Okay, so when we look at the scenario with something bad happening, okay, let's say there is a problem in town, or taxes gone up, or whatever is the issue, he is going to raise the price, and not Joe, the whole market, which means everyone who sells a computer. So again, let's jump into this scenario here. Now let's say the price rises to $50, just for the sake of this example. And now, oops, just a second. So now Joe total market cap for his computers went up by almost 500%. Why? Because we had a problem in the market, or high demand. Okay, so for example, in this example, we can also work both sides, the good and the bad. I just make a little note here. So for the bad, we just talked about it when we have problems in the supply chain or whatever. And in the other side, for the USB new stuff in the market, yeah. So people looking to buy this new model, and let's change here as well. Just a second. Let's go for B model. Yeah. So, and people are going crazy. Everybody wants the B model. This is it. This is good. The good stuff. I have to replace my C model for the B model, and that's it. And then people start to rush non-stop Joe Star, like by the doves. Oops. Yeah, oops. Why you're doing this? So a lot of people from nowhere start to pop at Joe's store. Joe, we want the B model, please. I need one. But the problem is, Joe only have 10 computers, right? But he has like 15 people looking for the computer, but he's already sold off everything. And now people are going to rush into other stores. Let's say 1 or 2 stores in town still have the B model. So when these guys know that all the others doesn't have the computer anymore, and they have like 5 computers or 10 left, what they're going to do? The price is going to go up again. So let's say, just for the sake of this example, folks, we are not looking for straight numbers here. So the price just went up by $100. Oh, sorry, $50. And then the market cap is at $1,000. And people are going crazy. Oh my God, we needed a new computer, please, please, please. And they start to look for the computer in the internet because the stores are empty. And the info that they had is this: oh, the computers are coming. It's going to arrive in the next week. and people goes to social media and keep going nuts. Oh, it's going to arrive. We are going to make lines to buy this stuff. Oh, it's the great deal ever, and etc. And when these new computers arrive for Joe, people are crazy. They are waiting in line. Just for the example. Even the Hackett Billy on his SAD tent is waiting in the line to buy his computer as well. We don't know where he found the money, but he's, he's looking to buy it as well. So when Joe opened the store and he has the 10 new computers that just arrived, the B model, each one at $100. So Joe new market cap went from $100 to $1,000. And if the same thing keeps happening, problems with the chain or the factory or some components are now expensive and the price will have to be repassed to the final customer, will keep going up. That's true that we have some specific rules for the market. For example, Joe he himself, he can raise the price to, let's say, $500. Well, I want to buy my computers at $500 because I'm a cool guy, and you guys know I'm kind of a big deal, you know. And then what will happen? All his happy customers will go away to the other stores which are selling at the current market price, which is $800, and their market cap is 1,000. So it doesn't matter. Joe's market cap, when he rose the price to 500, went up. Doesn't mean he's going to sell, but his total market cap went up. Because, let's say, in the future, if something happened and all the other stores sold everything, people will have to run to Joe's store and make line to pay Joe price for his the computers, right? So they won't be happy. They will have to spend more money, but that's how the markets work, folks. It is what it is, and this happens all the day, all the nights, and this is never going to change. Okay, so a few days, not a few days, I believe a few months ago, let me just clean this. I gave an example of the guy who sell, it's not this one here, but just for the sake of this example, Apple's store. And let's say this guy can be Happy Joe, no problem. Let me change this to green. Just a second. Yeah, so on his store he sell apples, right? And he has like 10 apples at $1 each. Oops, second, let's fix this. Let's make this bigger so you guys can see it better. Just a second. Yeah, so he has 10 apples and he sells each apple for $1. How much is Joe market cap here? Is $10. Yes, 10 apples at yeah, market cap $10. Yes. So again, he has 10 apples and he sells each for $1. His total market cap is $10. So now let's say we had an issue on the field and we have some drought and there's a lot of problems. We are not going to have apple for everybody and it's going to take longer to arrive. And what is going to happen? From green status, we are going to the ready status. And what is going to happen? Joe knows about the drought in the fields, and he knows it's going to take longer and the price will be higher when it arrives. So Joe and all the other stores in town, what they're going to do? They're going to raise the price. So he still have the same 10 apples, but now he raised the price to $2. His market cap just went to $20 without, and this is the key, folks, without nobody buying a single apple. Nobody. So these people ask this question. This is what we hear all the time. How price can go up, for example, to $100. There is something wrong here. Yep. So how, for example, how PRX price can go to $100? That's impossible because the market cap has to be around trillions of dollars. That's not true, folks. If, for example, let's say, let's use another test here. So let's say PRX now made a partnership with, which is a fact, okay, just for the sake of the example, with Bank of America. And now Bank of America is going to use the chain of PRX. So Bank of America using PRX chain to settle whatever they want. And now the price, let's say the price of PRX in this example is $1 each. Okay, let's take out this guy here just for a second. Okay, let's do a new one here. Let's go for something like this. And let's say right now it's at $1, so it doesn't matter. What is going to happen when Bank of America starts to use PRX network to settle whatever they want? It can be stocks, it can be Forex settlements, whatever. Okay, well, we know what the market makers do and who they are. We are already talking about this. So once Bank of America start to use PRX network, two things are going to happen. More value will enter the network, and the network value will rise. So we have two things here. In the first thing, we can be talking about PRX chain alone, and in the other topic, in the other line here, we are talking about the asset PRX that is being used to settle for example payments, or the FX markets payments as well. So it doesn't matter, it can be anything. Also cross-border remittances, payments, that there's a lot of stuff around it. So more value for the network. Actually it's for the token, which is a coin, because the so let's go. So the value of the coin is going to rise. Why? Because Bank of America is moving a lot of money into the chain, and the chain uses the coin to make the settlement, to provide the liquidity. So the higher the number of payments and remittances, whatever is on top of that chain, it comes to be moved by the coin. So it's like the coin and the network are moving together. We know how this works. This is simple. And then the magic happens. The price for one is going to go up and the value for the other is going to be up as well. So if we take a look here, just a second, let's go for example here, XRP chart. Let's go for Polo. Just a moment. Because there is a thing some people say which doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, I'm going to show you. It doesn't matter the value of the coin you are buying. Okay, let's say we, the Happy Joe, we have $1,000. That's all you have. Okay, and let's say you have three options. Let's go here. You have coin A at, let's say, 5 cents. Just a second. And then you have coin B at, let's say, $100. And then you have coin C at $10,000. And then you are looking to buy one of these three coins, right? Let's say here, Joe Capital, $1,000. So right now Joe is trying to choose between A, B, or C, right? But by the end of the day, Joe is going to buy only $1,000. So this is a very interesting thing, folks. Pay attention to this. These guys, for example, just a second, Hackett Billy, which believes in the market X price, market cap, X price hoax. He believes it and he teach people about this. He has the same $1,000, right? Let's use red for Hackett Billy, and Joe, let's use the green one. Yeah, fantastic. So Joe's understand the weight of the money. He understands how money works. So he, when he are going to choose for these coins, he will look for fundamentals. He will look for return, the best return over investment for the coming years, right? So Joe is going to choose, for example, let's say PRX. Yeah, and let's use a green here for Joe pick. Yeah, so this is Joe. Joe, he made his research and he understands how these things works, the partnerships, the improvement, the development, yeah, all this stuff. And Billy, the silly Hackett, what he is looking for? He's looking for the coins with actually, just a second. For the proper example, let's go for this one here. Oops, hold on. Yeah. So Joe bought 10 coins, right? At $100 each, that's $1,000. And Billy the Hackett Silly, he's looking for the lottery ticket. Yes, he's always looking for, whoa, there's 100 defies. You know, I have to buy as many as possible. I have to have 1 million coins in my bag because I'm going to be the biggest bag holder ever. And it has to be a low supply because, you know, market cap. No. Hold your hat and cool your jet, Billy. That's not how it works. But yeah, so Billy, what Billy does? He's going to buy. Oh, just a second, let me fix this. There's a lot of details. I don't want to mess anything here. PRX. Yeah. And coin A is going to be DeFi Hackett. Yes, just for the sake of this example. Yeah. And so Billy is going nuts over the DeFis. And then what he's going to do? He's going to buy a lot of coins. That's a big bag. And he's very proud of his bag. Just a second. Where is my color? Okay, here it is. Second. Yes. So now Billy is a big bag holder of multiple DeFi coins, and he have like 10,000 coins. He's the master of the bags, and he's saying that they have only 200 million coins, and it is a big deal. And okay, and then time goes by, and Joe bought PRX, and he knows that PRX have a partnership with not only Bank of America, but with like 50, 60 other major banks all over the world. So he had in mind back in the day that at some point the utility will jump in, especially after regulations, right? And so after, let's say, 5 years, the price went up, and now Joe have like, let's say, just for the sake of this example, okay, just to make big numbers, his $1,000 went to $100,000 after 5 years. Joe had the vision, he knew what he was investing on, and here he is. Joe is a happy guy now, and now he's going to get all his money and retire, or he's going to open his computer shop. No problem. Happy Joe. But what happened with Hackett Billy the Silly? He bought all those DeFi amazing, wonderful projects, and when regulation stepped in, oh, give me the red, please. Oh, here it is. So all those, let's say he bought 5 different DeFi tokens. Okay, let's use another test here. Just a second. Oops, things are going wild with my mouse. I don't know what's happening. So he bought 5 projects. Okay, so 5 different coins for, yeah, different projects, and 4 died or was a scam, and just 1 did it. So this new wave of DeFi is the future. DeFi everything. DeFi your dog, DeFi your car, DeFi your wallet. Things are going wild. And back in 2017, I arrived in the market by the late 16, but I only came to buy and sell on 2017. And the same thing of thing was happening in 2017. ICOs about ICOs. ICOs are coming that are fixing the issues of ICOs. And ICOs are the big deal. ICO your dog, ICO your carpet, ICO everything. You can do ICO of your shoes, whatever you want. And we saw that only a few survived. And even those few went down for like 99%. So for the Hackett Billy, what he ended up with, from his 1,000, he ended up with $100, because 4 died and 1 went down to 99% down, and then went up by 300%. So let's give Billy Hackett Billy 250. Let's not go wild on his capital as well. So he only oops, let's go for 200 because we were talking about 5, right? So 20% is a big deal for Hackett Billy. So 5 died and 1 was like a big deal, survived, made the 300% after 99% loss. So the difference, when we talk about all these scenarios, they are not new, folks. This is nothing new, and it's going to happen again and again and again and again. Now, let me show you something about this, the difference between price and what you can buy, okay? Just for the sake of this example. If we measure on XRP, for example, okay? If we go from the previous low, which was 003, okay, let's use this one right here. Just a moment. Yeah, so it's 0.003 cents, microcents, right? We went up by 116,000%. Who back in the day said such a thing would happen? Who? Because we know most people, what they are always saying, no, this is not going to happen, this is impossible, you know, no way, because the market cap will have to be at 10 trillion, and you are crazy, you are smoking opium, your pipe is burning, whatever. And yeah, so by the end of the day, folks, we come down to their opinion, and their opinion only, because they don't have any facts, any straight report, or nothing that can sustain their cause. Nothing at all, okay? Zero. And even if we talk, we look back here, before the 6 cents, we had a low which was around this level right here, 0.002, close to this level. So this was 1,371% move up. And we always have people saying this is not going to happen, XRP will never reach 10 cents, 15 cents, $1 is not going to happen. They are always saying things can't happen. And then I ask them, what are the skills? What's their you know, what do they do? What is the proof? Where is the numbers? They don't have any. They never have straight numbers or facts. That's all this is about. It's about guessworks, opinions, and emotions. Let's write it down here. Ask about facts equals none. What they have. Oops, just a second. Opinion and emotions. That's all they have, folks. That's all this is about. No facts, opinion, opium, and emotions. This is it. Nothing else. Because I made many, not many, but like 2 price forecasts using what? Price projection, Fibonacci, and rules for market growth. Okay, and what people said? Ah, you are crazy. You are damn crazy. What you are saying, Wilson? You are wrong. It's not going to happen. The market cap will have to be at 100 trillion. So it's the same old BS talk about the same things over and over and over and over. And back in the day, Amazon is going to die. Didn't die. People went online to buy things. And later, oh, Amazon will never reach $10. Amazon sucks. Okay, Amazon went to $10. Well, Amazon is not going to $100. No way. Well, it went to $100. Well, Amazon is going to die. No, didn't die. Well, Amazon is never going to reach $1,000. It reached $3,000. Using the same fundamentals for price forecast, market expansion, market growth, and all these people are always wrong, 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 wrong. Back in the day, what people said about Ethereum? Oh, Ethereum is a scam. Yeah, Ethereum is a scam. Billy the Silly is right. He knows his stuff. He's the big deal. You don't know anything. Yeah. And so what happened with Ethereum? It's not going to reach $10. It's going to die before. Reach $10. Reach $100, $1,000. And they always say it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen, and it's not going to happen. So folks, here we have people who have no clue what they are talking about. No clue at all. And they are always wrong. And I can't understand why people keep listening to these folks. So let's take a quick look here. You guys perhaps remember this scenario here. Just a second, please. Okay, some of you are familiar with this scenario here, which I already charted back in the day. And just for you guys to remember, price forecast is based on math. Price prediction is based on opium. Yes, because people say, oh, it's going to $50,000. Yes. You know, my coin is going to $100. But okay, it can go to $100, no problem. But can you show me how, please? Can you explain me the fundamentals? Why your coin is going to $100? Oh, you know, it's going because it's a big deal. It's good stuff. Okay, thank you. So that's the difference we have in the markets. And in technical analysis, in market analysis, fundamental analysis. Yeah, so let's take a quick look here. Again, just for the sake of this example, and we are not going to measure the previous bottom. Okay, just for the sake of this example. We are going from the previous low before the break, which was a tightening range here, bullish pattern, and we end up with 99,000. If we measure the straight move up, okay, it's not the best way to do it, but it's valid to do. Okay, so oops, not this guy. Let's look for this one right here, 99.041,000%. Yeah, and let's use a line because I want clear charts. Yeah, so 99,000%. So XRP was the only coin with such gains in 2017. Is the top one gainer, doesn't matter. So let's say we end up with less than that, or even the same, because it happened before and people said it was not possible. So let's go for the it's not possible. Okay, let's use their words, let's use their methodology, because when they are wrong, we are right? And if they keep wrong, we keep doing the same thing, right? Because we are contrarians. And let's use the similar measure here, 99,000. Okay, close to this level right here. Let's use a straight line. Yeah, so same number or similar or very close to it. Yes, and so this one right here, it's $3 and let's say 30 cents, which is for, remember, from here to here. Okay, and let me change the color here. Yes, so this one right here, it's $100. Yes, close to 100. Let's go for a straight number just for the sake of this example, $100. which would be another 99,000% move. We know it can be lower than that, much lower, or it can be higher than that, okay? Because here we are using the methodology of the naysayers, the people who are always wrong, right? And now let's add it to this. Oh, so just a second. Let me see if this is 100% correct. Yes. So imagine XRP from 0 to 20 cents all the way to $100. What they will say? No, you are crazy. You are then crazy. You are smoking the finest opium out there. You're going to end up broke. So that's what the kind of things we will listen. And what is their basis? Oh, the market cap is have to be at $100 trillion, you know, plus a unicorn and 10 Lambos and whatever. So we understand their point. And so here, folks, as you guys can see, the impossible they keep saying always end up by being possible. And the thing here is another thing. We are not talking about what? The most important thing. Utility. And also network value. I don't know if you guys know Susie from Esoteric Trading or Esoteric Trader. She has great content about network value, and then she finds the price for like a IPO or a coin, and she has the fundamentals. She have the number, the model. She have all the visible stuff that the guys in the high places are using as well. But then we have the silly Billy, the silly Hackett, which is a Twitter expert saying this is opium. This is not going to happen again. Remember, it's not going to happen again. So I was wrong, but it's not going to happen again. Can you guys see the big difference here? And so, oops, why did I take this out? Yeah, so folks, we are talking about these scenarios right here. And not only this one here, even this one here, even this one, the small ones here. If we take a look at it, for example here, to the next one, that's almost 300%. 300%, guys. If you join with like $100, they are going to make 10,000. 300, that's a lot of money. It's big moves. And they are always saying it's going to zero because Tony Weiss always wrong, the Hackett wagon driver. That's all he can say. It's going to zero, it's a crypto security, and he has no clue, he's always wrong. He said gold was going to $800 right here. Right here, he said, well, gold is going down. Going to $100 because I said so. Hackett wagon driver. So these people should be ashamed. Yeah, but so folks, now imagine. Okay, let's bring Happy Joe. Let's ask Happy Joe. But Happy Joe is a green guy. So Happy Joe, what do you think about the partnership and the utility? What is going to happen? Just a second. So, billions and trillions, because we know trillions are going to be moved on the chain, the network, we know. And we know it's not going to be 1 trillion or 2 trillions, right? Trillions. So we ask Happy Joe, yo, Happy Joe, what price do you expect by the coin based on utility, not on opium, to be at in the next, let's say, 5 years? All these banks, all the utility, all the value around the network, And then Happy Joe talks about, let's go for the two ranges. The first, let's go for the first, which doesn't have to be straight. Okay, so let's go for the previous top. Otherwise, some people can freak out. Let's go for 500, almost 500. And then later for around to 2025, let's say $1,000. So Joe is talking about what? Two scenarios. One for $300 in like 4 years, 5 years, exponential growth, market growth, price appreciation, price speculation, etc., etc., etc. So we have all the numbers, right? And then later, maybe $1,000. If we are going to have, for example, the CBDC, there is the other, the guys who make the settlements, that's about quadrillions. We are not talking about everything, all the money in the world, like some people are talking about. No, but can be. And then the price is going to be much, much higher. And this is based on utility. So some people say, I saw this yesterday and I was thinking like, what? What these people are saying? For example, they were saying PRX is the standard, right? Okay, fantastic, their opinion. I agree with them for payments, settlements. Okay, big deal. And then right after, what they write? But we'll never reach $100. So these people, they support the project, they research a little about the project, but when it goes to their standard, they start to get a little emotional. And then these some kind of people, what kind of language they understand? Only the numbers that they can see. Okay, so for example, they can't understand market expansion, growth, projection, price appreciation. In these scenarios here, why? Because his short memory only allows him to remember the last value, which was 3 and 30 cents. That's why they say never, never, never. And they always end up in the wrong way, and we keep going. And this is nothing new. It's happening with a lot of assets for a long time in many markets, and there is nothing new. For example, people like Peter, he says, well, he's going to die, it's nothing, it's a scam. He's the finest option out there because he never bring facts. Never, not a single one, not a single number. It's all about his opinion. It's straight from the abyss. What's the deal with these people? Are they mental? They have problems? Because here we are looking for numbers. That's what this is all about, always. Numbers, numbers, numbers. I want numbers. Give me the numbers, I'll tell you what the price forecast projecting is going to be. Okay, there's nothing new. If we look, I made a big video for talking about this on XRP. And we talked about many scenarios, many scenarios. For example, if we look here again, can you guys see the growth, the expansion, how it works? Look how small this guy was. Okay, even if we go from the high to the low, doesn't matter. It's a small range, right? And this range, take a look at this. It's bigger. And also, the range from the top to the bottom. Take a look here on the lines. You can measure with your own eyes. This is market expansion, growth, utility kicking in, things going exponential, also for the network value. So folks, when people say such a things, don't even answer. Just move away. It's things are always crazy. These people are nuts. Okay, if you ask for numbers and like for example a method to explain their opinion, they don't have one. It's all about emotions and opium. Okay, so I believe this example that I gave about the market cap, the computers, the apples, fundamentals behind it, people buying and price not going up, not raising. I think at this point it is clear because the thing is really simple, just like the draw. It's very, very simple. Let me take a quick look here on the chat. Oh, there's a lot of people here. Hello, guys. Just a second. Pop-up chat. Let's go. Let's start from the beginning. Sean. Hello, Sean. Benz, my brother. Michael. Just got the notification. Hello, Michael. Hey, hey. Gerard. Isaac. Hello. Hello, friends. Love the names. Happy Joe. Oh, Igor. Hello, my friend. Oh, that's my friend from Poland. Gregors? Yeah, I think it is. I have to learn how to spell your name properly. Oscar, thank you for this live. Oh, you're very welcome, my friend. Servant of Christ, the best teacher on this subject out there. I'm a big fan supporter. I'm not the best teacher, but I'm trying to do my best. But thanks for the kind word. Andy, Guten Abend. Oh, sorry, I don't know what this means. Forgive me. Johnny, hey everybody, let's all share this out on Twitter and Telegram groups. People need to see this. Hey, thank you, John. And to support Wilson, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for sharing. I'm going to share each one. Oh, thank you. Great stuff, Michael. Rahim Bas, basic fundamentals of economics, supply and demand. Yes, all day and night. You teach things so well, brother. Simple enough for anyone to understand. Thank you, Bas. Thank you. R. Butler, lol. Heck it, Billy. I want a computer from Joe now. Yeah, me too. I'm looking for a new PC gamer. XRP bigger stash, awesome stuff. Thank you, brother. Yes, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Just blast that thing. We are going to have a new one for the next video. Marvin, hit that like button right now. Blast the button. John Ripple, hello, my friend. Gerard, PRX, XRP. My man. Michael, a rising tide raises all boats. Yes. Yes. Wise words. Destiny Online, you think PRX is the long-term hold? Lots are making fun of PRX. Yes, so the thing about PRX is this. People who are making fun of PRX are the ones who were wrong since day one, and they are wrong till today, right? Noah was wrong until the rain came. So everybody was saying, Noah, you are a fool. You are buying a boat on land. What you're doing, Noah? You are stupid. You are in the Hackett wagon. You are Billy the Silly Hackett. What you're doing, Noah? And then the rain came, and the fools end up Hackett. So it's just a funny way to look at it, but the people who are bashing other people and other projects, other coins without fundamentals, what is this about? It's like my team is better than yours because my team is better. How wise is this? It's better just because it's better, because I like. So is Bitcoin better than Ethereum just because they like Bitcoin? No. Is XRP better than Ethereum because I like Ethereum? I like XRP? No, of course not. XRP has a purpose, Ethereum has another purpose. This is not a fight. We are looking for alliances, not enemies. But these people keep making enemies because they don't know how to read properly, to understand, to look at things properly. They don't care. They don't want to do. PRX, now say it. Yes, PRX, HTA, TTB, yeah. Can't believe PRX actually exists. I just checked on CoinMarketCap. What a thing, no. Is CoinDeFi Racket on Binance? I don't know, I have to look at. Proxy node, no idea. PRX market cap 48,704. Master of Bags, yes. I think the ticker is hacked. Eagle, oh, this Billy holder is funny. Yes. Bloody hell, there actually is a hacked coin. The fire dog. DeFi cars, have used it and you're killing it. Oh my god. All those RCOs are going to kill Ethereum. yes. I remember. People say Ethereum is going to broke because there's a lot of scan ICOs. Oh there. Oh my. Who is not a millionaire or millionaire at this price? Yes. You make me laugh about Billy Silly the Silly. Yes, I'm laughing loud here. I took a lot of time to make this live because I was laughing non-stop. Sean 88, the next bull run is on utility bull run, regulation, etc. That's it. Yep. All scan going to zero. Yes. Derivatives market. Red Racket. Thank you for your time, Houston. How can I join the club? You are welcome, my friend. So the Champions Club is a private group. I charge $120 monthly. Okay. You can ask me for more details on Twitter, and I can send you the details. How I only accept XRP, Ethereum, and BTC. So yeah, I can give you the details if you want. John, hello John. Lesson of the day: don't be like Billy Hackett. Be like Happy Joe. Yes. We have to pump out a hash. Happy Joe. Isaac, how can we know more about the Champions Club and what it does? I thought you were going to make a video about it. Yes. I have to make this video, but I've been busy. Just like Happy Joe. All the way busy non-stop. And I'm still busy because I have to make a video about XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Kava, and the Champions Club, and I don't know where even I start. And I also have I am developing the legacy trading technical analysis program and trading setup program. And yeah, I have to find time. I don't know where. Perhaps I have to buy from someone. Girard, not all of us can read charts as well as you do. We're still trying to learn, but while I learned the best investments to make is in anything that has good utility. Yes, that's the safest way to do it. You go, you do your research, you check if this is true, and then you jump in if you want. That's how it works. But when people make investments, listening to Billy Hackett the Silly, what is going to happen with them? Hackett wagon. They're going down the hill 200 miles per hour, all the way down without brakes. That's their trip. That's their fun. They're going wild. Noah in the Hackett wagon. Yo, Noah, imagine. Yo, Noah, why you're making a Hackett wagon boat? What is this? There is no water here. I imagine Noah, shut up, fool. You don't know what's coming. And that's exactly the thing with XRP and PRX. People saying, well, Tony Weiss, yeah, XRP is a security. It's a penny cent. It's going to zero. I imagine Noah answering Tony Weiss, shut up, Tony Weiss. You have no idea what's coming. You're a fool. Let me see. How long you think the next bull run can last before a new 20? Okay, so the thing about the next step in the markets, I believe the ones with utility, real utility, that's for outside the crypto space, right? For world global utility, they are not going through these retraces anymore, okay? Because price is going to go up in a healthy way. We are not going up like 100,000% up, 99% down. 100,000, no. Markets doesn't behave like this forever, okay? So it's likely to see lower gains up and lower small retraces in the way down, okay? And I am almost 100% sure about this. Just a sec, let me see if everything's fine here. Yes. So if you had to pick one crypto to invest in as of today, what it would be? It would be XRP. Yes, XRP, all the way XRP. I spent like more than a year researching and studying about XRP, Ripple, checking if all the FUD was true, if there is any correlation. No, I just came to find that there is a lot of people there smoking opium, driving their Hackett wagon, and following Tony Vice, Gordon Gekko, you know? I don't know. Billy the Silly Hackett Fool. Yeah. John Houston, after Remove, maybe you have a future in comedy. maybe I'm looking to make like a podcast when we can have a talk about crypto and etc. And yeah, perhaps one day we can make a comedy show as well. So no more questions. I think this is it, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your patience as well. Yeah, this one was cool. Yeah, thanks for your patience. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to bless the like button, share with your friends, explain this to your friends. Let's try to reach as many people as possible because we are already in 2020. It's time for this nonsense to stop already. Okay? And I will see if I can make a video for XRP Nest. I will try. Maybe. Oh, I already made one for Ethereum. Yes. So now it's time for XRP. Yes. And yeah. So oh, now you guys make questions when I'm about to leave. What is this? Isaac, how to contact you on Twitter? Oh, you can write just a normal post, and you just tag me on this message. It doesn't have to be a direct message. For example, something like this. You go on Twitter. You just tap my handle. Hello, Houston. It doesn't have to be a direct message because my direct messages are off. Okay, just a simple message and I will reach you out. Thank you guys. Good one. Thank you. Guys, thanks again. You guys are amazing. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your patience. Let's try to reach as many people as possible. As you guys know, things are hard for me because I don't have all that people sharing my stuff and etc. So not an easy task. But again, thank you very much and I will see you guys soon, perhaps in a few minutes. I will see you guys soon. Have a great day or great night and see ya.